Guys, today I'm taking a look at an ultra-fast charger that can charge pretty much most of your devices, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, here we have the Nexode 65 watt charger from Ugreen. Now, if you don't know Ugreen, then you've been probably pretty much locked away from all tech, as these guys make a ton of different tech products, including earbuds, docks, dongles, chargers, and so on. But today guys, we are looking at the ultra-fast Nexode 65 watt 65 watts of pure power charger. Now, before we get into it, Ugreen sent me this charger to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's take a quick look at what we've got in the box. Well guys, don't get too excited, as all there is in the box is the charger and some instructions. Now, taking a look around this charger, and you can see it's pretty small. I mean, it's only slightly larger than the Apple 20 watt charger, which of course has only one port. But this Nexode 65 watt charger has 3 ports. It's got a USB-A port which can deliver 8.5 watts of power, a USB-C port that delivers 8.5 watts of power, and a USB-C port that delivers a full 45 watts. Now, point to note, if you're using all the ports, your 65 watts max power is going to be distributed amongst your devices, or certainly amongst those other ports. However, this charger has some power dispenser wizardry in it to manage all of this, ensuring that your devices are not getting damaged. Now, given that this is using GaN technology, which in short means you can get high power and great efficiency and superior cooling all in a very small form factor, this is a very capable charger. And I kind of like this as well. This little Q is great, particularly as in the UK we've got a pretty chunky pin arrangement for our plugs. And also guys, that GaN technology means that the heat dissipation is really efficient as well. And I believe there's more wizardry in this charger that kind of measures the temperature, well, hundreds of times a second, and that's pretty impressive. Now guys, I've got a 13-inch MacBook Air, and this charger charged it up to about 70% in about an hour, which is pretty amazing because the battery in this machine really does last nearly a whole working day. So to have about half a day's worth of life in just 30 minutes, I mean, that is pretty impressive. Now, I'm not saying that the original MacBook Air charger can't match those speeds. It probably can. But that charger is bigger, it gets hotter, so it's not as efficient, and I don't believe it uses GaN technology. And again, like the little charger here for the iPad and iPhone, it only has one USB-C port, so you can only charge one device at a time. With the Ugreen charger, this Nexode 65 watts charger, you can still charge 3 devices at once. So guys, if you're like me and you have one charger in your bag when you're out and about and one plugged in at your home or studio or office, then this is going to be the way to go. And pound for pound, it's going to cost about the same, if not a little bit cheaper than the Apple charger. I think it's actually a bit cheaper. So guys, I will leave any links and product prices, etc. in the description. This Nexode 65 watt charger from Ugreen is definitely worth considering as a second charger, or even as a replacement should you need to replace your original. Charge 3 devices simultaneously. It's ultra fast, ultra cool, and ultra small in comparison. Guys, it's a bit of a no-brainer. I'll leave any product links, like I said, and any discounts in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, and you know what to do, and if you like the video, guys, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks to you for watching, and thanks to Ugreen for sending me this great little charger. It's going in my bag and it's going to travel with me. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.